Hello everyone. Hope that all of you doing well and having a really good time. So today I will talk about an important topic which is speaking English related and which is very important for every English learner. And today my topic is how to create an environment for learning English. And you know that we have no environment, even we have no partner with whom we can practice and we can improve our speaking English. So if you think that you have no partner, you have no environment, that time how could you create an environment for English speaking? So in today's video I will share you how to create an environment for learning English, and you can create this environment by your self effort, and self effort is very important. And I just share some step which is very important and it will be help you to create an environment. So today the first thing is how to create an environment for learning English. My first step is you can practice with yourself, and self practice, the first step is self practice is very important, and you can talk with yourself. So even you can ask me a question, how can I talk with yourself and how it is possible? So yes, it is possible. And you talk with yourself like, I am reading, I am watching television, I am cooking, I am drinking a glass of water, and this type of word actually. And in this way, it is a simple word. You just talk with yourself in this simple word, and it is very important for create an environment. And my second step is talk with your daily routine, like what are you doing in your daily lifestyle. Actually that is the thing in English, and it is very difficult at the initial stage. Think in English, it is very important for create an environment. So how to think in English? The way is like, you just think it. And to